Miss Mai, Sir John, with what you've said a while ago, no, mas gumagaling sa facility nyo nagtitrain. May mga athletes na ba ang The Pigal Yard na nagko-compete internationally?
Yes, so as a matter of fact, right now they're in China. They're representing Philippines sa PCL Season 2. And we strongly believe na sobrang laki ng chance natin na makuha yung kampyonato ng liga na yon. And sa ngayon, isa sa malaking force talaga ang Pilipinas. Pag sinabi sa halimbawa, nasa international competitions tayo, pag sinabing Pilipinas, medyo natatakot talaga yung ibang mga kalaban natin. We are really dominating the pickleball scene, lalo na sa Southeast Asia.
In fact, last PCL Season 2 held in MOA, we were the champion. So now, it's good news that Pickle Yard team will represent the Philippines, our country, sa PCL Asia, happening in China.